Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Extreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 2nd of November. One more nice day today before some changes tomorrow. And as we do sometimes, let's go back and look at the sunset shots from yesterday. You know, we're getting close to the time change, which is this weekend. The sun will be going down before 5 o'clock in the afternoon on Sunday. But this was yesterday about 5:50 from Inverness in the Wingate Inn. That's gorgeous. And we always love those Gulf Coast sunsets. That was the sunset there from the Alpha Skycam on top of the Phoenix All Suites. Just beautiful. All right, this morning there's a look at Bryant-Denny Stadium, the south end zone on the campus of the University of Alabama, getting set for that big ball game down there Saturday night against LSU. And I'll tell you now, the weather looks great. I mean, wonderful. We'll say 68 at kickoff, 60 by the fourth quarter, clear. For the tailgaters during the day, temperature should reach the low 70s. Just perfect for that ball game. If we're right, and the confidence is very high, we are. There's a water vapor satellite shot this morning. Strong trough coming through the southwestern states, stirring up a big fuss out there. Check that radar out. Ooh, look at all the snow coming down Denver and points east. And there is a blizzard warning in effect for the plains of eastern Colorado over toward Goodland, Kansas. Mercy me. We'll keep an eye on that as it traverses on to the east. Temperatures this morning are cold behind the trough with readings in the 20s. And around here, they're all over the board. But we'll warm up nicely today. We should be up around 70 in most spots. There's the rain for the next 5 days. Not very much. This is suggesting rainfall amounts of only 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch. And that jives pretty nicely with model output. And the tropics, I think we're done until 2012. We'll check the GFS. This is the OZ run, valid at 7 o'clock local time this evening. That's a strong trough coming out of the Rockies there through Texas and Oklahoma. And again, snow continues over western Kansas. Rain ahead of that on the front. We stay dry. And again, just a really, really nice day today with a high close to 70. Tomorrow, that's a vigorous trough coming through here. And again, if we had, adequate atmosphere to work with, that could produce some pretty strong storms, but we really don't. The air is just dry. There's the surface chart, and we'll mention a chance of showers. And again, there could be some thunder somewhere with the cold air aloft, but we note that the NAM keeps the lifted index positive the entire day, so mainly just a few passing showers. And should be cooler with a high in the low 60s. Both the NAM and the GFS are printing 63. And just for the fun of it, there's the RPM accumulated rain with this, and this is suggesting the better rains over northeast Alabama. And even there, it's about 1/3 to 1/2 inch. Everybody else with amounts of really 1/4 inch or less. All right, Friday, it's on by. Sky becoming mostly sunny. High Friday should be in the low to mid 60s. There's that beautiful day on Saturday. And we got that new Lee low coming out of the Rockies, but not going to bother us. Sunny with a high close to 70. Just beautiful. Sunday looks good. The surface low that was coming out of the plains of Colorado lifting up into Canada. Little moisture return over Texas, but not much. We'll leave it sunny with a high close to 70. The latest GFS a little cooler with our highs this weekend. And there's Monday, and it's a battleground between that 588 ridge nosing in from the Gulf and a trough out west. And down below that, that looks pretty dry. You know, we had tinkered with the idea, maybe a chance of a shower Sunday night or Monday, but this is saying no need to do that. And there's Tuesday, we stayed dry. The other runs have shown warm air advection and a chance of showers. This run looks pretty dry, would be up there in the mid-70s. And there's a week from today. And really, this is not as energetic as other runs. It's got some energy well to the north and just a dead duck kind of front there with maybe a little sprinkle somewhere, but not much. But other runs of the GFS have shown a pretty good rain event. Hang on now. Let's look at the European. Ooh. All of a sudden, that looks pretty wet. Now, I think we'll go with that solution. You can see obviously a big trough is supporting that. And while the GFS has gotten off the bandwagon, the European stays on it, and often in the medium range, the European tends to do a little better around here. So we'll mention a pretty good chance of showers and storms Wednesday of next week. Way too early to define any type of severe weather risk. We always have to watch that this time of the year. And we'll check the end of the forecast on the 17th. Look at the trough there over this part of the country, and a nice cold front coming through here, and a 1,032 millibar high over Oklahoma City. And we all know this is voodoo, but again, we often remind you that November can bring some very interesting weather. Almost anything goes this month. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you live around here, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Weather.